Okay, so I'll be changing the magnetron in this microwave because the microwave not heating. Right, so let's try it out. Right, so we have we empty glass, we ice. Right. Plug it on. Okay, and set for, let's say, 30 seconds. Alright, so you're getting out the drops, so, and I get no heat inside, and the ice not melting. Alright, so the magnetron need to change, so we'll unplug this first. As you can see, the cover already open. Remove this cover. Right. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, right, but this is not the original magnetron for the microwave because the terminal facing this direction, facing the left. Normally it should be facing downwards, but you can see somebody open his microwave and try to fix it because it have electrical tape. Right, so they cut the wire and they join the wire, they put electrical tape. The reason why they do that because they couldn't find a magnetron with the terminal facing down. So they get a magnetron with the terminal facing to the left, so they have to join the wire to reach. And some screws was missing. Right, but everything is working, the capacitor working, the transformer working, everything is working, keypad, everything is working, but the magnetron is working. Now the magnetron heating, but it's heating from above here alone. Alright, so all inside are hot, but it's not getting no heat inside because the filament inside the magnetron is damaged. So that's why not getting no heat going inside the microwave, and getting heat around the magnetron. Right, so now you start removing. So give it a screw here. Right, disconnect the terminals. Do not mix up the terminals. Remember what it go in. So one below, one top. Right, so it have a screw here that remove. Remove the bulb, remove this part, the shield. And the two screws that hold the magnetron. It is very hard to unscrew this part because, like I say, The terminals will be facing down, and the terminal faces on the left, and the terminal is blocking the screw inside here. So it's very hard to take out the screw with this terminal blocking. Alright, so you can see the magnetron, right? It getting hot. It getting hot inside here, right? It getting hot around here, but it's not transferring the heat to this end to heat up food. So the filament in this is gone. As you can see, it kind of burn out here too. Alright, so it's not looking that good inside. Looking kind of dusty and kind of old. And this part shaking. So the person who tried to fix the microwave didn't do a good work at all. Alright, so I'll put this aside. And this is the replacement magnetron. Right, so I'll put back the same way I take it out. Alright, so put back the terminals together. Let's see, this one go on top, this one on the bottom. Alright, so that's about it. Let's try them out and see. Alright, so plug it on. About the ice. Right, set it for 30 seconds. As you can see, the ice melt. Alright, so I'll put back on another 30 seconds to make sure it melted out enough. That should melt it out. Alright, so it's looking good. Again, heat, everything melting. As you can see, it's hot inside too. So this Magnetron is looking very good, and this one was the bad one. So next time when microwave not heating, 3 things you need to check. I'm gonna unplug this. The 3 things you need to check when the microwave not heating: either the capacitor, the magnetron, or the transformer. Right, so I'll put back everything together. The Magnetron is very hot right now. Secure this. This one will be bottom. This one will be on top. put back the cover. Alright, so there you have it. The microwave working good again, thanks to the magnetron placement. Alright, so it's heating and everything working good. So you know, whenever you have a problem, whenever your microwave not heating, one of the main thing you have to check is the magnetron. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time.